Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to remove a service name from services. Okay, let's see. First go search bar, type services. Okay, I want to delete this service name, AutoCAD 2025. Close the window. Then go LMTOOLS utility, open, click yes, configure services. Service name, type service, AutoCAD 2025, AutoCAD 2025, remove service, click yes. Okay, close the window. After that go search bar, services. Okay, AutoCAD 2025 service name was deleted. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.